Hello everyone, welcome to our new chapter. Today we'll go further to Linux, and what we will see today will be about manipulating data at the device level. So when we talk about manipulating data at the device level, we want see about the storage media. So we will see some commands here that help us like to mount a file system. So is mount command, and also to unmount a file system, we will use unmount command, and also we have fsck command that will help out to check and repair a file system. And also we have like fdisk command that will help out to manipulate disk partition table. What is mounting? So mounting is attaching the device to the file system tree, and it allows the device to interact with the operating system. For example, if we want mount a USB drive on Linux, uh, we should use, let's open a note. So if you want, for example, to mount a USB drive on Linux, so you have your USB that is plug in your computer Linux machine. So you want to mount it, what you have to, how you have to do that. So you should use this command uh, sudo command sudo commands. You should use these commands. Sudo. This command you should use. Okay. Sudo command. Okay, you should use this command. Sudo mount slash dev slash sdb. One if your type of your type of storage, your name of your storage is SDB one or SDBA. It depends, and also the name for the USB that you want mount. So it's the command that can help us to do that. So, and also we have to know what is unmounting. So unmounting is like a storage device disconnect the file system from the directory tree, so it can be safely removed. So before, like if you want you plug a USB in your computer, and you want to remove it safely because maybe there is some data inside, and you don't want lose your data, or to unplug it unsafely. So it's better you unmount it before taking back your USB. Okay, let's try to do the practice now, and I will show you how you can do it. So let's do it together. Okay, so here we are already in our terminal. So what we have to do, first we have to use lsblk uh, to lsblk. That means list block with the option dash s. So it's will show us the devices that are connected to the system. So ls blk block blk s to c. So here we see here we have only this type storage that name that's name SDA with a hash CTL 2000, and also we have the type is a disk, the vendor VMware, the model also we have the Rev 1.0, the serial, and also we have the run. So what we will do now, for mounting this, uh, we should go with this one. Let's do something here first. What I have to do here first, I have to go with sudo apt 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 purge this type curly. So let me first remove the dish type because maybe later if like you want install they will prompt you something like this, because first you should like go for sudo sudo uh, dish type dish type. Okay, slash dev slash SDA1, because like right now, we see like the system is running on this on this disk like the SDA, so we cannot like mount right now in this disk because we are using the system. So we will give like a name like SDA1 in order like to be able to mount. So the different name, a different name. So we will go with the SD one. So if we go like for hinter, they told us here like sudo this type command not found. So we should like now install the command. That's why I uninstall it before, because sometimes if you want like you want do the work, the most cases like the this type you should install it by yourself. It is like that. So we should go to install it, sudo and also apt install this type. So we are installing it right now. So if the installation is finished, okay, the installation is finished. Now what we will do? So from here now, we will try now uh, to we will try now to make like a mount point. So what we call a mount point is a folder where attached data that can be accessed. So when you can retrieve your we will together create a folder where we can retrieve our data. So in the mount point location. So, and here, what you have to know like the slash dev is a directory where all devices live. So the slash dev is slash dev. I mean this one slash dev is a location where all machines are running. So all machines are running in this location in Linux. So and we can check it by using this one ls slash dev, so device. So here we have all the machine that right now that are running inside this Kali environment are inside this location inside the slash dev. So now what we will do, so from here now we will try now we will try to sudo sudo it with the to create the folder. So what we will do, we'll use this command sudo uh, sudo make dir yeah slash mount slash p1. So we want to mount it in this partition. So P1 is the partition 1. It is an anonymous name that I give it. So it depends to you. If you want, you can give like whatever you want for the name. Doesn't matter. So I use this one. So I go to mount it, sudo make dir. I create now this location. So if I go for this location now to see in the mount location, like mount to see what is inside. So I see like here I had already the folder, the P1 folder that is inside. So now what I have to do. So from here now, what I have to do, I will try uh, to mount it now. Now, what we will use to mount it? We will use like sudo mount sudo mount /dev /hda1 space mount mount p1 p1. So now here is the command that will help us to mount it. But remember one thing's here, like we already like creating this mounting point. So the folder P1 in order to mount it, because you cannot mount it without doing this step. So we go now for enter. So now we hit enter. What we will do now? So from here now, we will try to check. We can try like to use this command to see what is here. Slash in the mount P1 mount. Okay, P1. So now we see here like we have as we said. Now if we go for this one ls slash mount slash P1, so we have we are already like created like we are created attached attached devices to the file system tree. So and here normally we have it on the user, on the slash user. So if we go like we go cd slash user, we go enter, and also we go ls. Here we have it in this location. So we have uh, uh, mounting. We have mounting the devices on this file system tree, on this file system tree. So let's go back, and here now cd I go for this. And from here now, what we will do, so we will try like to see the location. Also, we can see the location, the tree file system where we mounting. We can see the path. So let's try to use one command to show us the path. This command will show us the path. So Control C, we do Control C to stop it. Control C, and here we see like we have it in this location. The path is slash mount slash p1 slash user slash lib slash python and so on. So we have it in this location. We have it in this location. So now here, how we can unmount it? So it's very simple to unmount it. To unmount it, we said like unmounting a storage device is to disconnect the file system from the directory tree, so it can be safely removed. So it can be safely removed. So what we will do to unmount it? So to unmount it, we should use like sudo, because you have to know something. We cannot like the location path. We cannot the location file tree file directory, the mounting point one folder, we cannot delete it without unmounting it. So we cannot delete it without unmounting it. So let's try to unmount it. So we can unmount using the slash mount slash p1, or also we can use it use this location the also we can use the slash dev slash stv1. So let's use this option. So here we already unmounted it. So what we will do here now, if we go now here for ls like ls like ls uh, like now mount p1. You see now. Now if you go ls inside also, you see now here from here now we don't have nothing because we already unmounted it. So we don't have nothing now here. We don't have now nothing on this location. So how we can now remove the 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 location? How we can remove the location, the file location, the folder location? We can go for sudo uh, uh, sudo rm mounted point. So now if like we go for like ls mounted point, they told us like cannot access because like we already deleted the slash mount slash p1 path. So that's why they told us like no such file or directory. Okay, so thank you. It was just today, so you how you can work with storage media. And thank you, and see you to the upcoming videos. Take care of yourself.